Oh, hi, it's Nick Brandon from Tecwork. Um, Today, I just thought I'd talk to you briefly about using Microsoft Teams for your phone system. So, many people watching this will be using a normal phone system or even a hosted phone system, but you're more than likely to be also using Teams for things like chat and collaboration, video calling, and things like that. It's become very useful during the pandemic and since lockdown in March. So I just wanted to tell you about the opportunity that you have rather than upgrading your phone system to a hosted phone system, of which there are a huge number, or upgrading your phone system and keeping it on premises to a SIP trunk, which has also been a very common option over the last few years. You can now move everything to Teams. So the only thing that you're using for telephony is actually Teams, and this can all be done pretty easily using normal porting processes that we've been very familiar with for the last 15 years or so. So if you're sat there thinking, well, why can't I just make a call from Teams to one of my external contacts? I can only actually click and dial people within my network. Why can't I extend that and just replace my whole phone system with Teams? The simple answer is you can, and it doesn't cost that much actually. Um, all that's involved is a Microsoft license, which you may already be paying for. We'd have to work that out for you. We could port all of your existing numbers so you can still keep all of your numbers that come in. All your inbound calls would come in via Teams. You'd answer them on your Teams soft phone, just like you are using your soft client for Teams on your desktop. And you can just save all that money on your calls, your lines, your ISDN rental, your phone system maintenance, etc., etc., etc. So if that's something that interests you, we can give you a quick demonstration. We can give you some pricing. We can tell you what's involved with making it all happen. Just give us a call, 01892 578 666, or visit our website at tecwork.co.uk to find out more about us. So that's Nick Brandon from Tecwork. Thank you and have a good day.